अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय।
Namaste children. Today we are going to learn about finding the missing digits. Finding the missing digits in subtraction. We have already done in addition, right? So we are going to do for subtraction. Here it is finding the missing digits in subtraction. And before doing one problem, we have to discuss 3 points here, children. One is, you know that minus minus subtrahend is equals to difference. Minus minus difference is equals to subtrahend. And now subtrahend plus difference is equals to minus. These 3 points are very, very important, children. Learn this already. We have learned this in 3rd class. But this year we are going to do with these only many problems, yes, for checking the subtraction and all also, children. Okay, now let us start our example. Here it is. Example, fill in the missing digits. You have to put the places 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. And here is the question. Here question mark is there, means it is missing digit. Yes. So here first line is comes minus and minus subtrahend is equal to difference here. Yes. So we are going to find these. See these question marks wherever are there. These are the missing digits. So we are going to find the values. Yes. Here is the example, children. Already example we have given. Now solution. This solution will contain 6 steps, Nana. The first step we are going to do now. And first we have to write the question as it is. And here it is. Now remember, Nana, always first one is minus and subtrahend and difference. Yes. So here first step is step 1. We have to check for ones place. In ones column, what are there here? 0. Minus minus subtrahend is equal to difference. So always we have to write that. So 0 minus 3 is equals to question mark. Can you subtract anything from 0, Nana? No. So because 0 is less than 3, we have to borrow. So minus must be 10. When this 0 will be 10 if you borrow. Yes. So borrowed 10 from 5 tens. So 5 tens becomes 4 and 0 becomes 10. Now question mark is equals to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Yes. So 7 will come and occupying ones place wherever that is there. Yes. We have to find that ones column is over now. Yes, children. Now let us go to the next step. Step 2. Solution. First let us see what we have done. As it is this. For you people, no need to do this many times. In one only you can do all that. Yes. In this, first one is over. One's place is completed, right? What we got the answer there? 7. Right? 10 minus 3, 7. Now we have to do step 2. In step 2, which place, Nana? Tens place. So in tens column, we have again 4 minus question mark is equal to 6. Always remember, Nana, we have to write that minus and minus subtrahend is equal to difference. So 6. So we have to find this subtrahend. How do we find the subtrahend? Minus and minus difference we have to do. So here minus is 4 and difference is 6. So 4 minus 6. Is it possible? No. 4 is less than 6. So we have to borrow. 4 must be 14. So we have to borrow from this question mark. Already from question mark we have borrowing means that is minus 1. From there we are borrowing 1 means minus 1 there. And here 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 6 is equals to 8. Yes. So 8 will occupy there in tens place. Right now? Now let us go to the Step 3. How to do that? As usual, we have to write the question. And here, first step already we have done. We found here in one's place this digit. How did we find? 10 minus 3 is equals to 7 we got. And 10's place also we have completed. If there is any missing digit in 10's place, you can go directly to 100's place also, Nana. But once you go on, do that subtraction because borrowings and all will be there, no? So that time you will get mistake. And here, in this 14 minus 6 we have done, that is 8 we got. Now step 3. Now we are going to do that step 3. How to do that? In which column we are doing? In hundreds column. How to do? Question mark minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 7. Minuend minus subtrahend is equals to difference. So, but here minuend not there. Subtrahend is there and difference is there means how do we write, Nana? We have to add subtrahend plus difference is equals to minuend, right? So, minuend is equals to subtrahend plus difference. So, this one we are writing here. And 2 plus 7 is 9. But here you are doing subtraction, no? Minus 1 we are doing. So, you have to add here. In the place of 9, now question mark becomes is equals to 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. But can you write 10 here, Nana? No, that question mark place you have to write 0. And you borrowed from here to here, no, you have to borrow. Then only it is possible. So, that 0 will go there. Okay, now 10 minus 10 not, this is again subtracted means 9. 9 minus 2 is 7 we will get. Afterwards we'll do that finally. Okay. Now, solution, another step 4. We have to check the thousands place. Right? As usual, we have to write the question. And in that first step, we have done this question mark becomes 7 we got. How and all 10 minus 3 is 7 we got. And here 4. 14 borrowed here again. So 4 becomes 14 minus 6, it is 8. And next we have done the hundreds place also. Yes. In that question mark minus 1 is equal to 7 plus 2 because minuend is equal to subtrahend plus difference. So 7 plus 2, 9 and minus 1 here is there means you have to add here. So 10. So question mark becomes we got 0 and we have to borrow. Borrowed, then only it is possible. Here 0 is there means it will be borrowed, no? So 3 becomes 2. Now we are going to do step 4. Here it is. How to do in thousands column. 2 minus, that is minuend minus subtrahend, that is 2 minus question mark is equals to difference, that is equal to 5. So here we have to find subtrahend. So how do we get minuend minus difference must be question mark, that is subtrahend. So but here minuend is 2 is less than 5, that is difference. So what we have to do? Minuend must be 12. So we have to borrow from 10,000's place. Yes. So here 10,000's plus 7, 7 becomes 6. And here 2 already we borrowed from 3 means 2 it becomes. 2 becomes now 12. So 7,000's becomes 6,000 and 2 becomes 12. So question mark is equals to 12 minus 5. Yes. 12 minus 5 is 7. Yes. So here this question mark is occupied with 7. Fill in the blank is fill up with 7. Yes. Now let us see. We are going to do next step. 10,000 one. Yes. So as usual we have to write the question. And here one space we have done 10 minus 3 we got 7 and 10 space we have done in 10 place 4 is 4 left or there 4 minus 6 not possible borrowed 4 becomes 14 minus 6 it becomes 8 And then here this question -1 -2 is equal to 7. It is not possible. So you have to borrow. 3 becomes 2. And here question that is -n is equal to subtrahend plus difference. So in that case we got 0 here. And again 2 minus 5, it is not possible. -n minus difference is not possible because 2 is less than 5, so we have to borrow. So 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Till there we have done. Now we are going to do step 5. In step 5, what is there, Nana? 6 minus subtrahend only is there. So directly 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Yes? So it is 4 occupied there. Next comes the step. So lakhs place we have to check. So now ones place as usual we are checking once again. We got 10 minus 3, 7. And here 14 minus 6 we got 8. And here we got question mark as 0. Yes. And next we have done the thousands place. Here we got 12 minus 5, 7. Yes. Next we have done 10,000s place. 6 minus 2, 4 we got. Now next step comes. That is step 6. What is that step 6? Lakhs place. Here minuend is there. Subtrahend question mark and difference is there. And we know that minuend minus subtrahend difference is equal to subtrahend. So we are going to do directly. 6 minus 4 is equal to how much it is? 2. Right? So 2 will occupy. Yes, children. So like this we have to fill up once again. One more is there. Let us see that. And here it is. We have done and all. I'm showing here once again. Ones place we have done 10 minus 3, 7. And here 14 minus 6, 8 we got. And here question mark -1, -2, it is not possible. Borrowed again here. And that is 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 will occupy here. Next here 2 minus 5 not possible. That is minuend minus difference is equal to subtrahend. So borrowed 12 minus 5, 7. And next 10,000 place directly. Minuend minus subtrahend, that is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And next lakhs place we have done minuend minus difference, that is 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. So this is what we have done. Right, children? So we are going to do check now, children, whether we have done correct or not. So check. Here I have taken out all the missing places, Nana. All whatever we got, that answers I put in minuend place and in subtrahend place. And I am finding the difference now, whether we are getting the same answers or not, children. Yes, here it is. So ones place I am subtracting. Here 0 is there. So what we have to do? Borrow. 0 is less than 10. So borrow from 10's place. 5 becomes 4. And 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. And again we are doing now 10's place. In 10's place 4 is less than 8. Yes. So we have to borrow again from hundreds. But here in hundreds place 0 is there. So we have to borrow from thousands place. So we have to borrow from thousands. In thousands place 3 is there. 3 becomes 2. And here 0 becomes 10. Now from 10 we have to borrow to 10's place. So 10 becomes 9 and here 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now in hundreds place 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Yes. Now thousands place. 2 minus 7. Is it possible? No, it is less. So we have to borrow from 10,000 place. So in 10,000 place, 7 becomes 6. And here thousands place 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 becomes 5. Now we are going to do 10,000 place. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And here lakhs place. Again 6 minus 2. So you have to do in this way. Children, first you have to do. No need to do this many times. Step. Not like that. In one question only. Write down step 1 what you have done. And fill up the blank there. Okay? Then you'll get it. And check is must, Nana. Afterwards, compulsory you do check. Then you'll find out whether your answers are correct or not. Okay? Okay. Do exercise number 4.5 in your text. In your classwork only you do it, Nana, not in the textbook because it is not sufficient there. So in classwork only you have to do page number 55 and 56 from your textbook. Okay? Do it, Nana. All the best. Take care.